Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. We'll see hair lunch. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to see hair lunch. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If it's your first time coming across my channel, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed to this channel, why not join us? Please do also subscribe to this channel. Also turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our subscribing videos. Okay, trust me, this channel is your go-to destination for latest and most stylish nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're a lover of beautiful styles, if you're a lover of beautiful nail designs, do well to subscribe to this channel and you'll be so glad you joined. So my ladies, just like today, we have carefully selected most elegant and cutest acrylic nail design for my ladies. Beautiful nails ideas for elegant ladies. So you guys ensure to watch the video from beginning to the end. Do not miss any slide, for the video is packed with a lot of beautiful nail designs. Trending nail designs that will keep you elevated. So if you want to take your nail game to the next level, ensure to watch the video from beginning to the end and also check out of our videos. Okay, we have a lot of stunning designs that will keep you updated on latest nail trend. So you guys, as you watch the video, kindly do also subscribe to this channel. Okay, support us by hitting the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification. Okay, and also share this video to your loved ones so they can also be part of these beautiful videos. Thank you so much my ladies. Please, as you watch, do like, comment and share. Okay, we're waiting for your lovely comment in the comment section. Tell us how you like it. Do you like any of this? Are you gonna be picking any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much my ladies. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.